Welcome, day 6, 7-day fresh start. You are almost there, and I hope you're really feeling the benefits of this. I know I have, and you can actually go back to the beginning video of this and actually see the difference in my face. I feel some of the extra fluid is gone from here. My eyes are clearer. I feel like I've maintained lean muscle, but I've taken away some of that extra little pudginess around my belly that gets in the way when I do some yoga poses, and just don't really feel so good around there when I carry that extra little bit of weight. So I'm loving it. My husband's loving it. He's really loving that matcha in the morning. He finds, though, a little tip from him, if you found it a bit strong, to make it in a bit of a bigger mug, so it's a bit more diluted. It might be a way to just have it a bit more palatable for you if you're not used to it. So that was a good tip. Your buzz. So let's reflect on those 3 B's. Your buzz. Now, I've had a lot of energy this week, and often when I do cleanses or detoxes, I'm kind of wiped, and I've done some pretty severe ones, actually, if I look back at it, and which probably wasn't so good for me, particularly after 40. So things change after 40. And I look back on some of those cleanses that I did that might have been more depleting, actually. I mean, they're all good, but it's probably more depleting. I've had lots of energy this week, and so has my husband. So that's been great. We've both been sleeping really well, and also reflecting on that bloating. So for me, bloating has definitely gone down. And the third one is your bowels. First couple of days were a bit up and down for me. Now, settling into a nice regular rhythm. And that really is a measure of how good your digestion is. Now, your digestion really starts from your mouth. When the food enters the mouth, your saliva starts breaking it down and you start chewing. So that is where it starts, obviously, then moves all the way through. And so, like I've said before, the importance of good regular bowel movements is a sign of how good your gut is. So many things I want to say about this. One more thing is the importance of movement. So this week, hoping that you're able to do some nice, gentle movement, I want to show you a few yoga poses that are known to be good for digestion, and just also talk you through a little bit of abdominal massage that can be really wonderful. So let's get started. Standing up, if you can join me, and first interlacing the fingers and putting them above the head, rising up onto your toes, and then come back down. The hands go back to the head, up and down, up and down. And these are part of a digestive sequence that were actually part of a deeper cleanse, a yogic cleanse. But I'm just taking a few of these poses. So up and down, and then taking a breath in, arms open, and twist, twist, twist. So any twists are really good for your digestion, just helping stimulate the movement of the small and large intestine. Keep breathing out as you twist, in as you come to center. And I've really noticed my joint inflammation has settled so much this week. My back is feeling great. My knee is healing. So those are the benefits of reducing inflammation with a intermittent fasting program such as this. Wonderful. Have a shake. And I want to show you, it's a yogic technique, which is more of an advanced technique, but we can just give it a bit of a go together. So your hands are on your thighs, and we're turning to the side, so you can see me a little bit. So you wanted to tuck the pelvis under, and then extend. So tuck the pelvis under, extend. So breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And then just start to do some circles round through the pelvis. Now this is part of a deeper practice called Nauli Kriya, which I won't show you here because that is more of an advanced technique. but this is kind of a modified version. So we're swirling around through our pelvis, just mobilizing your spine. Wonderful. And you can do this in the morning. On an empty stomach is best, really. Okay, I wanted to show you some abdominal massage. So you can do this lying down, but standing is nice also in the morning. You can kind of just massage downward. So we're looking at downward strokes, our apana, our downward energy, helping us digest our food. And I encourage you, maybe it's at nighttime when you lie down, just to massage your belly. Sometimes we can hold a lot of tension there. So kind of towards the midline and then down. And you'll know what feels right. Abdominal massage is a big part of Ayurveda treatment. And I know that's really helped me. So I encourage you to do that. Abdominal massage, do some of those twisting motions. So well done. Keep going. That's day 6. And I'll see you tomorrow.